You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this board game. If you want to learn more confusing brand names pronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you that you're going to learn from and love. Yes, of course, it's pronounced Blokus. Yes, it comes from the word block, alright? So you could say blokus, but that would be bloke. That would be like bloke as in an Australian man, bloke, or block US. No, Blokus, because it's from blocking, right? Blokus. It's easy once you know Blokus, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.